Hey, Paul Blake with AeroDoor. A brief presentation on what is included in our hangar door inspections. Our hangar door inspection covers on average 57 points on a bottom rolling door. You would choose this service if you wish to have the door inspected annually to keep the door in prime condition, or because you have encountered an issue but cannot pinpoint the problem. Inspections are available nationwide. They're available for any private, commercial, or government hangar. Our service technicians are Jonathan, Jason, and John, who combined, they have over 80 years experience in fabricating, installing, and servicing these specific doors. What is included? Travel and per diem, labor, which is the on-site inspection time, rental equipment, such as a scissor lift that allows the technician to inspect the top of the door or the top of the tail door, a written report of the inspection, and a no obligation quote for any replacement parts. What is covered? All steel and connection points, the ASCE rail in the foundation, the top track and its connection points to the building, rollers and wheels. We will lubricate and adjust if we have access, motors and controls, limit switches and sensors, pickup brackets, and weather seals. If your door has any of the following features, these are also included: tail door, cable system, sensing edges, and fuselage aperture. Typically, within 10 business days, you will receive a glossy service brochure like this one. Inside is a report for each hangar door inspected. At the back of the report is a no obligation quote for any parts that the technician needs to replace. By the end of the inspection, our technician will be able to tell you everything that is good, bad, and ugly with your door. These reports can be documented by yourself so that you start to build a catalog of maintenance and service history for each hangar door that you own. Benefits. If you have a problem with your hangar door, the cost to have AeroDoor complete a door inspection will almost always pay financial dividend, which means it will cost you less in the long run. That's because an inspection will find the root cause of your door problem. There's no guessing games over the phone, and there's no repeat trips. You're maximizing the life of your hangar door. You're going to limit the possibility of unexpected door failure and downtime expenses. You're going to address safety issues before they threaten employee safety or damage to an aircraft. And a single door inspection will cost you less than an emergency call out and expedited parts. If you have any further questions or would like to set up an inspection, please reach out to myself or AeroDoor directly. Thank you for your time.